Jharkhand's notorious gangster Aman Sahu was killed in a police encounter on Tuesday while being transported from Raipur to Ranchi on remand. His death marks a significant victory for law enforcement, as he was one of the most wanted criminals in the state, known for his involvement in multiple cases of extortion, murder, and organized crime. According to police sources, the encounter took place in Jharkhand's Palamu district when the police vehicle carrying Aman Sahu met with an accident. The unexpected crash created chaos, and in the commotion, Sahu took advantage of the situation. Seizing an opportunity, he overpowered a police constable, snatched his rifle, and attempted to flee from the scene. As police personnel tried to stop him, he reportedly opened fire, triggering an immediate response from the officers. In the retaliatory action, Sahu was shot and killed on the spot. The police later confirmed his death and secured the area to ensure there were no further threats. Reports suggest that during the exchange of fire, one police officer was also injured. However, official confirmation regarding the officer's condition and identity is still awaited. The police are expected to release more details as the investigation progresses. Aman Sahu was a feared criminal figure in Jharkhand, operating an extensive network of illegal activities, including extortion rackets, contract killings, and violence against business owners and political rivals. His gang had a strong presence in several districts, and law enforcement agencies had been trying to apprehend him for a long time. His death is seen as a major breakthrough in the fight against organized crime in Jharkhand. Authorities believe that eliminating Sahu could weaken criminal networks in the region, but they remain vigilant against any resurgence of his associates. Meanwhile, senior officials have ordered a thorough investigation into the entire incident, including the circumstances leading to the vehicle accident that set off the deadly chain of events. This high-profile encounter has garnered significant public and media attention, with people closely following the developments. More details are expected to emerge as the investigation unfolds.
ऐसे अपराधियों का ऐसे ही हश्र होता है कि जब कोई भी अपराधी अगर पुलिस के ऊपर गोली चलाएंगे तो पुलिस तो चुपचाप यूं ही नहीं रहेगा, पुलिस भी गोली चलाएगी। और इसलिए इस प्रकार के अपराधियों का यही हश्र होता है। और मैं कहूँगा कि और भी जो जानकारी, क्या डीजीपी ने खुद कहा है कि 3 लोगों की गैंग जेल से संचालित हो रहा है, तो एक तो इनकाउंटर में मारा गया और 2 लोगों की गैंग बचा हुआ है। प्रशासन को देखना चाहिए, पुलिस प्रशासन। तो अच्छा बात है, हमने कहा कि भाई अपराधियों का यही हश्र होता है। अगर अपराधी अगर पुलिस के ऊपर गोली चलाती है और पुलिस उसको इनकाउंटर में मारते हैं तो कोई गलत नहीं होता है, कोई पुलिस हाथ पर हाथ धारे तो नहीं रहेगी।
कल तक यूपी मॉडल और योगी मॉडल की आलोचना करने वाले आज उसी राह पे चल पड़े। आप सही मानते हैं सर इस कार्रवाई को?
नहीं, मैंने कहा ना कि अपराधियों का यही हश्र होता है भाई।